At DHVI, innovation is key to our success. Today we surpass the temperature capabilities of our competitors with our 43mm inch and 11/16 non-flasked true colour HD camera at 155 Celsius, 309 Fahrenheit, streaming video live to surface. Now that's a milestone. The Capture HD Live real-time system was deployed via wireline and pumped down the 4.5-inch casing, where the camera was able to instantly recognise the sheared off motor assembly, which was wedged in an S-bend casing deformation at 17,000 feet in a horizontal well. Using the real-time video, the client was able to see that the fishtop was orientated to the high side of the well, allowing them to optimise their fishing tool assembly, saving the client time and a lengthy fishing operation. Even in these extreme well conditions, DHVI image quality is picture perfect. Let us know how we can help provide answers to your wellbore challenges. Visit us at www.dhvi.net.